Here's a certified 2019 Cadillac Escalade. It's iconic and uncompromising and done on a grand scale. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: automatic parking assist, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth streaming audio, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and Ecotec 3 engine. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. Cadillac is driving the world forward. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.